Hi everyone, Soda Cat Mania here. It's a beautiful Wednesday, this January 29th, 2020. And I have all the ingredients mixed as Nana's Cooking Craft Corner shows you how to make on her channel. And I went ahead and did a few different things by not adding brown sugar. I just kept it with the organic white sugar. And rather than melting the butter all the way through, I started to melt it, but more of a soften. Um, and then now we just need to add the beautiful biscuit mix and put it in the oven. And when it comes out, we will see what we have. So I hope you come back and see you in a little bit. Hi everyone, I'm back. So the cake stayed in the oven for about 35 minutes. I let it cool for 5 minutes. And now I'm just going to take my plate, put it over the pan like Nana did, give it a flip, and let's hope for the best. Oh, it came out beautiful. There it is. So if you want to make this recipe too, check out Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. I have her little icon right above, so you can just click that and it'll take you right to her. And then just look up her Blueberry Cranberry Upside-Down Cake. Although she made it in December of last year, it's good any time of year. And I'm glad I found it. Now all I have to do is just let it cool for another 20 minutes and then layer it with a little bit of whipped cream and I'm good to go. Anyway, Soda Cat Mania, thank you for stopping by and I hope you do try this cake. Until then, have a blessed day and I'll see you then.